Hello everyone, welcome back to BulkSigner. In this video, we will see how to sign PDF documents using BulkSigner. Let's get started with the video. Open BulkSigner. Now click on Create New Profile. In Step 1 template, first give profile name. As we can see, there are two types of profile. Manual mode, where you will be selecting files manually, and the other is service mode, where once a profile is created, we just have to run the process, then documents will get automatically signed to the destination folder. Let's see how to sign PDF documents using manual mode. As we can see, there are two types of signature. One is digital signature, which is nothing but a certificate issued by designated certifying authorities after a detailed verification of identity of the signature holder. And an e-signature is an image or scanned copy of signature. Let's see how to sign PDF documents using digital signature. In signature placement, we have two types of position, fixed position and text pattern based. Let's now talk about fixed position based. Now browse the PDF file you wish to sign. If you wish to split your documents, you can select from the required option. I will be selecting Do Not Split. In Page Selection section, you can select the page where you wish to put your signature. In this template, I will be selecting all pages. Now click on Add Signing Place. Select Signature Placeholder. Now drag and drop at your desired location. Now attach your signature. Before attaching the signature, make sure you have connected your DSC token. Now put password of your token. If you wish to add multiple signature, simply click on Add Signing Place and follow the steps as earlier. If you wish to remove a signature, simply select that signature placeholder and then click on the Remove Signing Place. Now your template is created. Proceed to Next. Now in Step 2, Preferences, in and out folders, you can specify source and destination folder. To see how to define in and out folder, watch this video till the end. In signature appearance settings, you can change appearance of your signature as per your choices. For example, to place an image in the signature box, click on Place an image in the signature box. Now browse the image you wish to add. Select the image placement from the required options. Here I will be selecting image and text. Now click Next and your profile will be created. As we can see, your profile is added over here. In PDF selection section, to select the files to sign, you can select from the required options. In Get Files Based on Profile, it will fetch file based on path selected in Step 2, Preferences. In Select Folders, here you can select a folder which contain multiple PDF files. In Select PDF Files, here you can select multiple PDF files in one go. Here I will be selecting Select PDF Files. Now click on Sign and your PDFs will be signed within few seconds. Click on folder icon, which will direct you to Base Signed folder, where you can check your signed PDF files. Now let's see how to sign PDF documents using service mode. First, give profile name. Now select the profile type as service. I will be selecting other options similar to manual mode. Now click Next and your template for this profile is created. In Step 2 Preferences, under In and Out folder section, you will need to select source folder and destination folder. This is a mandatory process in service mode, where source folder contains unsigned PDF documents and destination folder contains signed PDF documents. I will be keeping signature appearance as default setting. Now click next and your profile for service mode is created. To see the process, I will keep source folder and destination folder open on screen for better understanding. Now click on up arrow on taskbar and right click on BS logo to start the process. As you can see, the documents are shifted to destination folder and original folder is created in source folder, which contains unsigned PDF documents. As we can see, the documents are signed with green tick verification. To stop the process, simply right click on BS logo, then click on stop button and the process will be stopped. Now let's see how to sign PDF documents using text pattern based signature placement. Following the same steps as earlier, now select text pattern mode, which is basically search pattern based signature placement, where you can drop unique text against which you wish to sign. There are two types of signature position, which are above text and below text. In this template, we will select above pattern. Now follow the same steps as earlier. Now click next. I will be keeping signature appearance as default setting. Now click next and your profile is created. Here I will be selecting select PDF files. Now click on sign and your PDFs will be signed within few seconds. As we can see, the documents are signed above the search text. Let's see how to sign documents using e-signature. First, click on e-signature. Now click on create new profile and follow the same steps. Now click on attach signature and browse the image or scanned copy of your signature. Now click next. In step 2 preferences, under signature appearance, only signature box size can be changed. Now click next and your profile will be created. Select the files you wish to sign. Now click on sign and the documents will get signed within few seconds. As you can see, the signature is attached to the documents. Thank you for watching BulkSigner. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. To get free trial, click on the link mentioned in the description box below or visit our website www.bulksigner.com.